To begin, create a slip knot. Position the crochet hook in front of the working yarn and rotate it, forming a loop on the hook. Hold the X shape created by the loop with your thumb and index finger, ensuring that the hook is in front of the working yarn. Next, yarn over by bringing the yarn from the back to the front over the hook, and then pull the yarn back through the loop. Finally, gently tighten both the tail and working yarn until a knot is formed. By following these steps, you will be able to create a slip knot successfully. The loop on the crochet hook should not be excessively large or small. Generally, it should be just large enough for the hook to pass through smoothly. Hold the slip knot and yarn over, then pull the yarn through the loop, forming the first chain. This will create a V shape. It is helpful to use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch for reference. Repeat the process of yarn over and pulling the yarn through the loop until you have the desired number of chains in your starting chain. By following these steps, you will be able to create a starting chain. For beginners, it is recommended to also use a stitch marker on the last stitch to provide additional guidance.